Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to download your own Reels. So for that, we have to go on our Instagram app. Then here I am on my page, on my profile, as you can see. So if I go to my Reels right here, then you click whichever you want. And then you have to click on those three dots right here at the bottom next to the message plane. So click on that, then click on save. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can smash the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.